Today, we're building something super fun and actually pretty useful, an internet speed test app with a beautiful modern interface, all made in Python using CustomTkinter. You can see it right here on the screen, clean, dark theme, and totally responsive. We're going to make this from scratch, step by step. Before we jump into the code, make sure you have all the required modules installed. We'll be using a few libraries: CustomTkinter for the GUI, Speedtest for measuring internet speed, and threading to keep the app smooth. I already installed them earlier, but if you haven't, just install them using pip before continuing. All right, let's get started. First, we'll import the modules and set up our main window. We'll tell CustomTkinter to use the dark theme and a nice blue accent color. Then we'll create our main app window, give it a title, and set its size. When we run this, we get an empty window. Nothing fancy yet, but it's our starting point. Now let's add a title to the window. We'll create a label at the top that says Internet Speed Test with a globe emoji to make it look a little cooler. We'll also make the font bold and give it some spacing so it sits nicely in the center. When we run it, we can see our title right there, nice and clean. Next up, let's add a button and a result text area. The button will say Start Test, and below that, we'll add a label that says Click to Test Speed. When we run it again, you'll see a button in the middle of the window and some text below it. The button doesn't do anything yet, but it's starting to look like a real app now. All right, time to make this thing actually do something. We'll create a function that runs the speed test. When the button is clicked, we'll update the label to say Testing in yellow so the user knows it's working. Then we'll use the speed test library to find the best server, measure download and upload speeds, and also get the ping. Finally, we'll update the text again with the results: download, upload, and ping in green text. If something goes wrong, we'll show the error in red. Now, one important thing, running a speed test takes a few seconds, and if we do it directly, our app will freeze during that time. To avoid that, we'll run the test in a separate thread. That's where threading comes in. It lets our app keep responding while the test runs in the background. So we'll create another small function that starts a new thread and runs the speed test inside it. Then we'll connect our button to that function so that when we click the button, it starts the speed test without freezing the interface. Now, let's run the app and see what happens. And there we go. When we click the button, it starts testing our internet speed, and after a few seconds, it shows the download, upload, and ping results right on the screen. If you're new to CustomTkinter or want to learn more about how to design beautiful GUIs in Python, I have a whole playlist on the channel that walks you through everything from the basics to more advanced projects. You can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your Python buddies. See you in the next one.